Doing a little exfoliating, my favorite mask. You already know. If you don't, too bad. I'm just kidding. It's the apple cider vinegar. Get it in my Amazon store. My skin was crustified. Something about the winter. My skin gets crusty, and I use that Tazeret pimple cream, which is normally drying. So this is just part of the process. I look like, like with this headband and everything, I literally look like I just got out of like surgery. Yeah, so gonna let this sit for a few minutes, scrub it off, do some laundry, cleaning the crib. Oh, and look what my man's got. I'm so excited. Maybe some of you can't relate, but some more lights. Ooh, Swiffer pads. I love a good Swiffer pad. And yeah, I am just currently doing my to-do list, and I'll be back. So I cleaned one piece of furniture, and then I made us sandwiches. So we're still cleaning. But I got my legal crack. Hi, kids! And 90s music. So just cleaned up, straightened up a little bit, organized my bookshelf. My little tea set is in the dishwasher because it was dusty. So put it in the dishwasher. It's a tea set. Yeah, about to take a little smoke break and organize laundry. Look at my nose. It's a little less dark. See, the scrub helped. Now it's just a little bright, but I'm gonna keep doing my routine and watch. By the end of the week, it's gonna be gone. All right, almost done cleaning. Ate a little something, had a little smoke break. And yeah, gotta decorate, gotta do these TikTok ads still. Don't know what to do for dinner. And so it begins, the untangling of the Christmas lights. Shein, y'all, don't sleep on Shein. I swear everything I'm wearing in these vlogs I got from Shein's Black Friday sale. And these slippers. Hello, Mr. Man. You ready to put up your little tiny stocking? Chewy got his own stocking. Y'all, half my lights don't work. So I have these LED lights that I literally haven't used really. TikTok shop gave them to me. And I was able to make them green. So we're gonna use this for now and get more lights tomorrow. Just showered, washed all this hair. Gonna do the TikTok ad for that mask company. Hopefully it helps with this. Y'all, you are seeing the most raw, unfiltered look of my life. Like, it's not that crazy. I try to tell you, like, my life, I just do a lot of online content, so there's really not much to show here, but okay, y'all, so this is the mask that we are using today from TikTok shop if you want to get it. It looks like this. I don't know how to say Azawari. It's some kind of a mud mask, Australian red clay brightening detox mask. And from the reviews I've seen on TikTok, it helps to even skin tone and with dark spots. So I'm hoping it helps with that pimple. Gonna leave it on about 15 minutes, wash it off, and let you know how I feel about it right away.
Do you listen to toys. Give me this toy. Give me that toy. Hey. Thrash, Chewy, thrash. Wow, thrash, Chewy, thrash. Get him, Chewy, get him. That's your toy.
So I just washed my mask off, that mask, and I have to say my skin feels really good. It's definitely hard to get off, but I do feel like it helped with the redness like right away. I had a whitehead here that it made, it like came out, so that's good. And yeah, and I'm gonna do an ad for these vitamins and make some dinner. We're gonna do Nashville chicken tenders and some fries tonight. Yes. So these are, it says Ceylon cinnamon, apple cider vinegar, turmeric, great for vertigo by the way, turmeric and ginger. If you are suffering from vertigo, definitely get some turmeric ginger vitamins. Curcumin, berberine, ginseng. And this is a all-in-one supplement. It just has a bunch of vitamins. So far I have tried a few different vitamins from the same brand, Nutraceuticals. I've done the magnesium one. Oh my god, on my TikTok I recorded it. I accidentally took 2 in a day. I started my day like that. I thought I was taking the collagen hyaluronic acid one. Bitch, I took 2 magnesium to start my day. So, let's see. One thing I will say that I like about this brand is every time I take a vitamin, it just tastes like tea. And I know I'm usually drinking green tea. Never mind. About to watch my favorite show ever. 90 Day Fiance.
Yeah, I'll be
Neighbors and trespassers, baby, and
Yeah. Oh yeah. Waffle fries and chicken tenders. Waffle fries and chicken tenders. Waffle fries and chicken.
Well, that is the end of this vlog. Tomorrow, Jocelyn's coming over. We're gonna stream and do content, and it's gonna be great. So, but I gotta get more Christmas lights, an extension cord for my little tree, another stocking, and I just want to get some more like little things. Thank you guys. Subscribe, like, check the links in the description, my store, get some merch. All my merchandise is unisex, so guys, you can wear it. I have up to size 3X, so please support your girl. Join my fan sites, Patreon. If you want just a personal video without subscribing to anything, go to Cameo. Just tell me the character and the occasion and I got you. Or if you don't want a character, you just want me, you want advice, you need help writing a joke, whatever, just message me details on Cameo and we'll make it happen. Thank you guys. Good night.